Hello traders, this is the last where I'm analyzing for this week, and we are at the end of Monday of this week, and I didn't see any significant change in the market on Monday due to as US was United States is closed for the presidential day or something like that. This is USDCHF, and the boundaries I wanted to lower it, but I think it requires a higher exposure. The range is from here to here, and 50% of the range is here. Around December, let's get back to monthly. On December, it has already broken the previous low, which was here in 2015. You guys can see, and if I put the mark, it should be like that. So you guys can see that there is an empty space here. In December, it has taken out the lowest of 2015, March or February whatsoever, and after that it make a double bottom here, and it started moving upward. So here in January we have a bullish candle, and also in February it has taken out the December top almost, but today still it is up of the December top, and this is the thing, a little bit retracement is happening, and it happened due to that it has taken out the imbalance which was left in December here. This was the imbalance left in December. You guys can see it has taken out that particular imbalance of the market and get back to the current price. That's it from the monthly. We can see at the moment, and I'm expecting the price to come here eventually, but the problem is this: I need some retracement to test the water here, because a little bit of not a little, I should correct myself, this is the imbalance has been left already in monthly time frame that needs to be taken care of. And also we have imbalance monthly here. Also here we have very big imbalance. Can you guys see? This is a big imbalance left already here, never been addressed. Also if we see there is imbalance left here also in monthly, and I think it will eventually come here. Coming back to weekly now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 7 weeks in a row the market is going high. We got a little bit ranging here, but after that it took off. So the market is currently, the way we judge is bullish, but if we want to be careful, we should draw this trend line, and you guys can see, considering this, we are trying to get out of the bearish channel in weekly trend line here very clearly, and that's why this area is very vital at the same time. And I need to enable this so we can see these things in other time frame. At least this too needs to be enabled in other time frame. Okay, coming back to weekly, this is the situation now, and if you see in weekly, this trend line is being tested now. So that's why I told in monthly period that I need some retest here to take out some of this. It has tried here a little bit, but it is not enough in my opinion. That okay, so actually we can do it like this. Okay, now considering the current the fair value gap in weekly, we can see that fair value gap or imbalance has been left here in weekly time frame. This is the fair value gap, or sorry, the market imbalance is still there. It has not been addressed, and if today close the market on the current price, there will be another this is another has been left, need to be addressed. On the top side, if we go, this is the imbalance in weekly, which needs to be taken care of course. So please keep this thing in mind. But we have seen a very big rejection from here already, taking out the monthly imbalance. But in weekly still the imbalance exists. In weekly, please keep it in mind that we are touching the bearish trend line now. So if the market needs to break this is the first thing that it touched the trend line here in September 2023 and has been pushed back, and this is the second time it is trying to touch the trend line. So second time I don't expect it to break, because the first and second time, most of the cases, it has been found that the trend line is never broken. Whether the trend line gets fragile after the second time, maybe in the third or fourth day to break the trend line. So we will see that in the days to come. Now let's go back to daily, and you can see that. Let me enable the trend line in daily so you understand what I was saying the second time. It would not, it doesn't have the strength to break, so you understand what I'm saying. So you guys can see the first time it touched here in weekly, which is the point is this. Let me mark it so you guys can understand more clearly. And this is the second time now we are working. If we go to daily now, you guys can see this is the first time it has been pushed back, and it pushed back so deep here. So this is the second attempt. It is trying to break the trend line here, and you can see that already it has been pushed back already. It tried to break out, touch this area, and has been pushed back now. Maybe this is the third time, or maybe the price has been rejected this guy. The last bar, the latest bar, the previous candle, the price has been rejected. Again, the price is trying to cover it in accordance with the trend line. My perception is currently is that it needs to either take out this guy, then move upward. That is one option. I think probably the most reasonable as far the technical analysis is concerned. The other way can be, it will come here and this guy will be taken out. Then it may try to attempt to break the trend line. That's it for USD CHF. Please note that CHF is one of the most powerful currency in the world with the highest reserve, one of the most significant reserve, and the confidence on CHF as a currency is worldwide accepted. So despite having a big interest gap, you can see that despite having a big interest gap, because if you put your money in CHF, you will get 1.75% here, but if you put in US dollar, the interest rate is 5.50. Despite that, we are seeing such a level of disparity that US dollar is struggling to fight back the CHF. This is the reason, due to confidence of the market. One is CHF, another is gold. So take care. Please use stop loss, stick to your strategy, and make your own risk management. Also, please do your own analysis and take trade where the probability is very high. I mean, high probability trade yield better money than other way. And at this way, even if you lose money, the stop loss is hit. You know what happened. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, guys. I really appreciate your subscription. Take care. Bye bye.